everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One, here to inspire and empower your wig journey. Today I have another comparison for you. I've been asked about this for about a year now, and I did not have the pieces available. But now that I do, we are going to compare the Belle Tress STUMPTOWN against the Belle Tress NITRO 16. Coming up. I purchased these wig styles from Wig Studio One. You can find them there too. All you have to do is go below the video, expand the description box. I'll attach a link to all of the featured wig styles. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site. Look at all the colors and the price, and we invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Let's get started. So what I'm wearing here is the Belle Tress STUMPTOWN in the color Butterbeer Blonde. Now I have a full review out there on this style, so let's just look at some of the highlights. This is from the Cafe collection. It is heat friendly. It features a lace front, left monofilament side part. They call it the creative lace front. This is one of the older caps designs that they feature. What's remarkable about this style is the wave pattern. It has this really bent kind of texture where it's just been curled right in the middle. The ends are highly texturized, irregularly and dramatically cut. And back here, we're going to compare the NITRO. And I have the NITRO here in the brown sugar sweet cream. So let's first cover the similarities in these styles. So they're both made from the heat-friendly fiber, the luxurious buttery feeling fiber by Belle Tress that we've all come to love. They're both in that Cafe collection. And I think they feature a similar middle curl pattern. Now, NITRO is a bit longer, so you're going to see another layer of curl here. So you've got that smooth crown, comes into some curling iron curl, and then it ends with some straight pressed ends that are rough cut and texturized. You're going to see on the STUMPTOWN a similar thing where you've got the smooth crown, you've got the curling iron curl in the middle, and then you have a lot that's been left out in this straight press pattern with this irregular, rough hewn, rough cut, texturized style. Okay, so those are the kind of the things that they have in common. Now the other thing they have that's slightly in common is the lace front left monofilament side part. However, what you need to know is that the Belle Tress STUMPTOWN features a lace front left monofilament side part. It's called the creative lace front. It's one of their older designs, and it does not extend back into the ear tab. However, on NITRO, I'm very happy and pleased that they have an extended lace front and a left monofilament side part. I think they've come a long way in their lace front materials. They weigh about the same, but that's kind of where there's similarities end. You're going to see a 15-inch front piece and overall around 16 to 17 inches on the NITRO 16. On the Belle Tress STUMPTOWN, there's about an 11-inch front and a 14 overall length. Okay. I think that because this length is shorter and they only do one round of curl in the middle, that you're really getting an exaggerated, dramatic look here at the ends. You're really going to have to like that. NITRO features something similar, but it only, it's only at the bottom, and it only is about 2 or 3 inches as opposed to 4 or 5 inches on the STUMPTOWN. Okay? I think they lay very similarly around the face, but overall you're going to get a couple more inches in length out of the NITRO in both the front layer and overall. So let's go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison so you can discover which one is best for you. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you soon right here on TAZ's Wig Closet.